Hello, my name is Chad, and I am doing packet tracer videos for one of my courses, CIS 101, which is the Introduction to the CCNA exam offered by Cisco. The objective of this packet tracer is to develop an understanding of the basic functions of packet tracer, to simple network using two hosts and a hub, observe traffic behavior on the network, observe data flow of an ARP broadcasts and pings. So the first thing we need to do is create a simple network. We're going to get two generic PCs and a generic hub, and we're going to connect this network using a copper straight through cable. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is rename the PCs and give them an IP address. We're going to name this one PCA, and we're going to give it a static IP address of 192.168.1.1. Subnet mask should generate automatically 255.255.255.0. Next, we're going to do something similar to this one, except we're going to call it PCB. And we're going to give it an IP address of 192.168.1.2 and a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is filter the tables which we want to see, and we want to see the ARP at ICMP, and then we're going to send a simple PDU from PCA to PCB. And we can see the two different envelopes. One represents the ARP, the other one represents the ICMP. And as we do this, we're going to see on the right, as they travel from PC to PC, the activity. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to reset the simulation. You'll notice that there's only one envelope, which represents the ICMP. This is because the ARP table is already present and it doesn't need to do that again. So I'm going to do this capture forward, which is basically it's doing it step by step as I click on each one. And notice how it sent the message without the need of creating an ARP, because like I said, it already did that once. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to power off the devices. And we're going to do this again. Okay, and now we're going to view the ARP table for each PD. And you'll notice that PCA has the IP address in the ARP table for PCB. And PCB has ARP table for PCA. Another way to do this is from the command prompt. we can type in ARP space -A, and PCB has the IP address in the ARP table of PCA. And should also be true, PCA has the IP address of PC. And that is all the activities in this packet tracer. And once again, the objectives of this video were to develop an understanding of the basic functions of packet tracer, a simple network using 2 hosts and a hub, observe the traffic behavior on the network, and observe data flow of the ARP broadcasts and pings.